Yeah, Mecca, our viewers in West Oklahoma sent us pictures of some of the damage out there. Now they're clearing debris and trying to bring back power. Clinton and Elk City 911 lines were down from the storms, but are now back up. You can see in this picture where a communications tower took out radio transmission for emergency services. Viewers from Clinton showed us these pictures of a brick fence between two houses toppled over and more damage from across the city. In Shattuck, an old abandoned car dealership took a beating from the storm.
There was a lot of brick debris on Main Street and on First Street where vehicles can't travel.
It collapsed near First Street and Highway 283 with a lot of the bricks and debris blocking the highway, but thankfully no one was hurt. One resident I spoke to says they worked in the early hours of the morning to get things cleaned up.
The city manager, he borrowed a payloader and went down and cleaned up the debris that was left over.
That road in Shattuck is now clear, and the emergency manager in Ellis County told me that they're working to bring back power for the last of the homes that were out of it.